Hello, my dear all enthusiastic, perseverance, hardworking, kind-hearted friend. How are you doing? Hopefully, you all are doing marvelous and great. I'm also really good because today weather is really stunning. I can see this beautiful view from here. Today weather is really beautiful. The sun is rising intensely. Today I have got huge time to make video, but this is the appropriate time for me to make this video. That's why I am here. Actually, I am trying to deliver my activity, my working things that I will speak properly and confidently. As you know, without speaking, there's not the easy thing to create our fluency. That's why we should speak anywhere else. So I am saying that weather is really shining, but at this moment the cloud is gathered at the sky. I can see from here. So this is the way I actually try to speak. If I say there are uncountable trees in front of me, I can see from here, and the cold breeze are blowing right now, so I am feeling really fresh. You already noticed me that my hair is flowing. That's why I am feeling so cozy at this moment. Actually, this is the time of the mid-noon, so I feel really great at this time. And usually I don't like rain rather than the sunshine, because if I feel sunshine is happens, I feel really energetic and I feel really great to do my work. In the rainy season I feel gloomy. I don't want to do any kind of things. So for being energetic, I prefer to sunshine weather. Sorry. Already my tripod has fallen down, so at this time I am just catch up. The air is blowing strongly. So friends, what's about your condition? Let me know about yourself. So how long have you been practicing in English and how far have you come? Let me know about yourself. If you're really interested to speak in English, just let me know about yourself and what's condition about yourself. And are you really watching my video? If you don't watch my video, it doesn't matter. And also, if you are watching my video, I am really grateful to you, because I am a learner. I am trying to improve myself. As you know, I made some videos for teaching videos. I have not got that much time, so I will make teaching video. That's why I take this situation that I will make English video about myself, and also will be little motivated to watch my video. So guys, I am not a fluent speaker. I am just trying to improve myself. I started my video a long years ago, but I had not consistent, although I was trying to improve much better day by day by reading, watching videos, listening podcast, listening English songs. So all the things made me really helpful. And also I wanna recommend yourself to speak ChatGPT. It's a really great platform for to speak. And if you not get enough motivated, just exhale and inhale and try to understand why you should learn English. Find out yourself first why you should learn English. About myself, I will say at the next video. If you wanted to know why I am learning English, I will be deliver my purpose. So friends, that's all for me right now. I'll be back with my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and also your little inspirational comments, your feedback really inspire me highly, and also I'll be get motivated to see your comments. I know you are a really kind-hearted person, so thank you so much. I'll be back with my next video. Till then, stay well, stay safe. It's my random video. If you are watching this video, million of thanks to you that you are spending your precious time. There's really appreciation to you. So now bye bye.